Alright guys, this is the last part of this video where I show you guys a few interesting things on this camera. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. So, because in the previous videos I did not show you how to get the battery in and out. And basically all you got to do is just, you see this little tab, you just grab it. You could grab it with your fingernail and slide it and it just comes out that easily. That easily, just like that. And then you want these metal or golden bits to match the golden bits on the inside of the camera. So this way you won't get it wrong when you're trying to push this in. And you see it just clicks into place, and this one goes like this, and then you slide this piece into place. Let's do this one more time, like this, and let go. And watch how my hands go around this thing, right? You don't have to do it.
Likey.